saving or investing? Which one is better? Saving means setting money aside. It can be used for emergency, daily or monthly expenses, or for short-term goals. For example, saving account, fixed deposits or money market accounts. Investing means putting money into assets with the goal of increasing its value over time. It can be used for retirement, wealth creation, long-term goals. For example, stocks, mutual funds or index funds, bonds or real estate. In simple terms, saving is about safety, investment is about growth. Safety in saving is very low risk of losing money, has a stable value and it is often insured or guaranteed. Risks in saving are low returns, inflation reduces purchasing power. Safety in investing include higher returns, better chance to beat inflation, compounding growth over time. Risks in investing include, prices go up and down, companies can perform poorly, selling during downtowns can cause losses. Use savings if your priority is safety and quick access to money, while investing is for long-term growth.